Hey guys, I keep seeing these trying to follow a makeup tutorial videos, but I've never made one here, and so I'm gonna try and try to follow a James Charles makeup tutorial
using only the audio.
So this is gonna be a whole ass disaster. To make it even more of a disaster, I got rid of most of my makeup. I gave some to my friends and I donated the rest. Now I have one palette and I have a few things and I have some brushes. The God is a Woman makeup tutorial with my one palette. I have it on my computer here, but I'm gonna turn it away and we're just gonna pray and hope for the best.
A wonderful day so far, and I'm actually really excited for today's video because I am doing a tutorial which I have not done in a very, very long periodically time. So I'm gonna do some makeup. It's gonna be really, really fun and good and fresh.
Fun, good, fresh.
That sister Ariana Grande was wearing in her newest music video for God is a Woman. But when it came time for the actual music video, oh my God, probably some of the best visuals I've ever seen. So beautiful, so stunning. Ariana literally. I'm gonna use the Norvina eyeshadow palette today to do this cut crease.
Okay, so he's using the Norvina palette. I do not have a Norvina palette. I have one palette left. I have my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and the rest are no longer in my possession. So I know that this look is purple. There seems to be about one purple in here, and it's right there.
And I'm just gonna dip into the shade Incense. First, it is just this kind of like light neutral tone brown, and I'm gonna start off by just blending this in my crease region.
Okay, so he said neutral toned brown in the crease. We're not cutting it yet. Neutral toned brown. Ow! We'll do this one, Luscious. Now I have not done this. Oh, that's glittery. I have not done eyeshadow in months, and this is a terrifying experience. I do have concealer on, and I do have my eyebrows on. I have mascara on too. Lightly blend this in. What was supposed to be brown, but is really like a kind of rose gold.
I'm gonna be blending the shadow actually above the crease. Oh my God, this is gonna be another one of those videos where I have to put a crease counter in it. Cut crease, right above the crease line and blending it outwards, and then also pulling it in towards the inner corner and kind of tucking it right into that nose contour.
I do not have nose contour on.
I'm next gonna grab a Morphe M433.
Wait, I'm not done. Hold on. Sorry, James. You're much faster than I am. He said to bring it above the crease. Since it's a cut crease, right? Beautiful.
Because this is my favorite brush in the entire world, and I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Volatile, and I'm gonna use this to deepen up the crease just a little bit. I'm gonna go in lightly and make sure to focus the shade on kind of the bottom portion of where I drew in that crease to begin with, the cut crease portion up to like the blended portion. Why am I like having trouble doing a tutorial today? How do you literally explain makeup? Just like do it.
Okay, well he said he's deepening it, so I'm just gonna take a darker brown, I guess. Charmed, I'm sure. I thought this was a purple look. This color may be purple on the screen. I don't know, and this is not a fucking blending brush. I don't know what it is, it's something.
It's looking good so far. I'm gonna grab that M513 again, dip into a little bit more of the shade Incest.
Incest? Yeah.
Oh my God, Incense. Tiny, like little pointy, fluffy brush.
Okay, he said he grabbed, sorry, I'm way behind. He said, ooh, ew. I have my face on this big ass monitor right now. I look jaundiced. I may be in some kind of kidney failure. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, we're dipping back into that first shade again. Putting more on. Get it into the nose contour that I don't have on. Great, okay. Then he said he took a little pointy brush. This is kind of pointy. I don't know what's on it, but it's pointy.
Dude, that's like my all-time favorite trio for a like good and fresh smoky eye or cut crease or anything. Lightest bit of black, literally like the absolute tiniest bit. For some reason, I literally cannot find a super dark brown eyeshadow right now. Don't ask. And I'm just gonna use this to deepen up the very, very bottom of this crease right before I go ahead and actually cut it.
Okay, so we're taking a little bit of black and just right the bottom of the crease, right? Okay, let's do it like this. Oh shit, oh no. This was a mistake. Still gotta blend, so let's not make any rash judgments just yet.
Incense on my M513 and just going right over those edges one last time. So now that we have all the crease colors laid down,
I'm just gonna take a quick minute and try to blend this all together. I'm learning things today. Holy shit, it worked! No, it didn't. It kind of worked, but not great. Better than the other eye though.
I'm gonna grab a just flat concealer brush and then just a regular concealer.
I know this isn't quite a concealer brush, but it's smaller. I too have Shape Tape.
I always like to start right above the middle of the eyelid because this area is always the absolute hardest for me for some reason.
Okay, middle of the eyelid, here we go. I cannot get it rounded. Round, circular, whatever. Just get the concealer on there. I don't care anymore. James is going way too freaking fast. Also, when you are not watching the makeup go on, it is confusing as I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what he's doing. And I may not even have the right colors on right now. Okay, nope. That's not okay. Yep, we're stopping there. I put way too much concealer on this eye. Surprisingly though, it's a better shape than this one is. This may be the best shaped cut crease I've ever done in my life. Like literally ever. Now I have too much concealer on both eyes, but at least they're even. Smooth it out on the edge here. All right, that's okay. That's as good as that's getting. I have hooded eyes, don't judge me.
The thought that counts in life sometimes, and that thought is really counting right now. I'm just gonna take the excess concealer and kind of blend it down right onto the eyelid, just to kind of prep it for literally nothing, because we're just gonna put a light color shadow over top of it. Okay, so we're using like a base type one. I'm gonna do this white peach here to set the concealer, which really needs to be set because there is too much of it. Great, perfect. I like this part. This is easy. This is fun. This is actually looking pretty good so far, so I'm really excited. And now we have to go ahead and put that little line of purple right underneath that to cut the crease even further. I'm gonna grab the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Self Control. And then I'm just gonna grab a tiny liner brush. This is the Morphe M250-0. I don't have a liner brush. Oh, I do. But I don't have purple liquid lipstick. But I do have purple eyeshadow. So we're gonna use liner brush and some eyeshadow and just hope for the best. Super, super carefully line that crease. If your liner ends up looking literally the absolute worst, like mine does right now, somehow, I'm just gonna grab that flat top concealer brush, once again, a little bit more concealer, and top off the excess because I really don't want these two things to mix together. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut that crease. Oh, this is not going well. Note to self, don't use eyeshadow as liner because it doesn't work. Yep, great, perfect, look at that, artistry. You can't see it because my eyes are hooded. Maybe that's a good thing that you can't see it. Voila, magnifique. I just went ahead and I fixed the liner about 87 times to get this shape. For some reason, I was putting my crease in the wrong shape. Like I said, it's been a very, very long time since I've actually done a makeup tutorial on camera. So now it comes time to the actual liner to kind of complete the upper eye shadow. I'm just gonna grab a small little liner brush and I'm gonna dip into the volatile shade, kind of make it look like a little bit of a smoky wing, and to make sure that the lashes blend well together. I literally am, what is this tutorial? Here or at the bottom? So now I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line, and to do this, I just wanna- Is it going here? I'm so confused, because I've been putting it up here. Let's do both to be safe. So we'll do a little wing here. Yeah, I don't think that was the right spot. Okay, we'll do a wing on the bottom too. He said lashes, so I'm assuming it needs to go, though that doesn't look right either. Well, one of them is right. Perfect. Wait, hold on, we forgot the black. Black smoky wing that we don't know where to put it. That looks pretty smoky to me. There is purple all in my cut crease, my beautiful, beautiful cut crease. Tap off any of the excess product, and I'm just gonna go right in on the lower lash line and kind of blend in. I know that I'm gonna be popping a purple highlighter right on the inner corner as well, so to kind of serve as a base, I'm gonna grab the excess of- I have a feeling I was supposed to blend this out at some point. I like how this lighting makes it so you can't see the colors of this at all. And put that in the inner corner as a base to that highlighter. Inner corner purple, got it. Oh God. Using a tiny spatula brush, this is the M508. I'm gonna dip into a cool tone purple shade, the winged liner, and then further tight line. We do not have a cool purple, but we have a pink, so we're gonna use the pink. What did I do in my inner corner? I look like I got punched in the face. Oh my God, this is going worse than I expected it to go. A lot worse. Purple base. Oh wow, you're kidding. Hello. And then last but finally not least, to finish, great. Just to tie everything together and to really give that brow a good lift. Thank God, it's been quite a while since I filmed a tutorial, so you'll have to excuse my poor teaching skills, but. All right guys, I am back and both eyes all complete. I just found a pair of Lily Lashes at Miami's. I don't have blush. I have pink eyeshadow, so we'll use that as blush. And shade Brow Tint in the shade Lingering. I'm just gonna use the little booty end first, and it kind of makes some little dots right over all my freckle region. Okay, so we're doing freckles now? I do not have colored eyeliner anymore. I'm gonna, well, I have a very few liquid lipsticks, but I think that's what we're gonna have to use here. None of them are purple. What if I mix like this liquid lip with like a little bit of like purple? Because I have a feeling he's going for a more purple thing here. Okay, we're gonna just do some science here. It's sort of
working? Aha, it's purple. This is working out perfectly. You know, this is really bringing the look together, I think.
I'm actually gonna use this shade as a highlighter on my cheekbone.
It's saving the look, truly. Cheekbones, cheekbones. Holy sh! I haven't used highlighter in a long ass time. It's a look. And he used like a white. I'm getting so scared. I definitely look like I have some sort of disease that is going to kill me slowly. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead.
Wow, this tutorial went so fast. Okay, the look is literally complete, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some setting spray, Sister Sprit, so I'm looking really nice and radiant. So technically you could stop here and wear this makeup look out. I mean, this is very, very beautiful, but we're going the full shebang, Ariana Grande Painted Moment Realness, and start sketching in lines on my neck and face. Definitely trying to vary the color as much as I possibly can.
All right, I'm not gonna do my neck. I will do my face. We'll choose this side. And we're gonna just sketch some lines, I guess, in the lipstick. I'm literally going shape-wise based off his thumbnail that I saw. There is not much lipstick left in here. This is not working. I'm just gonna, there we go. See, even better. Yeah, yeah, there we go. Yeah.
I'm literally just sketching these in completely randomly too on the left side of my face. Hopefully this looks good. Probably gonna put a little bit on my ear as well just to make the look feel complete. All right, sisters, and that is this Ariana Grande inspired God is a Woman or a Sister makeup look all complete. I'm literally obsessed with how this look turned out, like literally hello. So good, I feel so powerful, literally like a god.
I feel so powerful, so great. I did a wonderful job, if you can't tell. Just truly extraordinary. Let's get a close-up for you guys. Here is my eyeshadow. As you can see, my lines are done so well. My cut and creased. This was flesh wound. And my lips, of course. You can't, they look so good. Let's go ahead and take a look at how James's looks compared to mine. Let's turn this sucker around. Oh, that was a way different color than I was expecting. Right. Okay, great. I'm gonna go. I'm so sorry. I will never do a makeup video again. In the comments below, rate my makeup 1 out of 10. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Seriously, thank you, because I know this was not an easy video to sit through considering it turned out like this. And I know all you makeup people are cringing, and I apologize. But thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye.